Here is the personal air cooler, model F22. And take a look at the unit. You lift this up to fill it with water. You can see the water reservoir, and putting in some ice cubes helps with the cool air. Hooks it up to a USB power source over here on the wall, and it comes with a remote. So I just turned it on. You can see different light settings. Or you can have light off. Here we can control the fan speed. So getting more of a fan or less of a fan. Here's the cold temp. So we can have it low or high. And then you can even set a timer. So if I wanted to go automatically off at 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or just keep it continuous. You could see my dog likes it. I like it. It was 77 degrees in the house this week. I think May is ridiculous for turning on the whole home air conditioner. So this little baby came in handy to just cool down the room, was able to sleep better at night. So 5 stars for this personal air cooler, model F22.
There's 3 different speeds and different light settings. If you just have it on a white light, fancy colors, or you can just turn it off. I'm just using the remote that comes with it to turn it on. pretty cool.